gonna be replacing this latch. As you can tell, it's broken. It only unlocks this one. Wow. This one, you know, got locked or whatever. So I got a replacement from Amazon. Like $20. And it comes with a bezel and everything. So to replace it, it's gonna be these three 13mm bolts. It's kind of hard with one hand and having a broken foot. So let's see. The only thing would be is getting this one out. I think I'm gonna have to break it. Oh, no, there it goes. All right, cool. So we'll take out those three bolts. Sorry, neighbors. It should just come out. It's supposed to come out. I wonder if I have to remove. These come with a rear panel. Hope not. Be back. All right, so all it took was some prying. I guess it was just stuck on there from being on there so long. Yeah, so anyway, there's a new one. This one has a plastic piece, and I'm pretty sure I could have reused it. Just bought this thing, but I don't know where they sell those, so I just got the whole thing. Anyway, this goes back into like this. You just line it up to, there's gonna be that hole right there, that one. You just line it up to, kind of hard to see it, let's see, like that. Put that one through, and then the other two should just line up just easily. But I'm gonna have to do that off camera, so grab back. Okay, so they're in there now. You can see that one there, and then there's two up there. It's kind of hard to see, but you're gonna have to take my word for it on that. So obviously you're gonna want to make sure these are hand threaded in, so you don't cross thread them. As far as to put these little hooks on, it's pretty straightforward. Just gotta line it up like that, and you know, see, it's kind of hard with one hand. All right, well, basically it goes in like that, and you just let me do it real quick. All right, just now that it's in there, you just turn this lower portion here, and yep, clip it on there. There it goes. So now this should basically unlatch to the tailgate, but I gotta bolt these in. So there you go. Now it should work. There he goes. Cool. I'll have to fix that later. But as for this bezel, the old one broke off a long time ago, so be careful not to break this. Oh, here it goes. So I guess these two pins here line up with this one, these two holes here. So you might want to lift the handle a little bit, get it in there. Once again, it's probably easier with 2 hands, but I'll put the phone down for a bit. And there you go. So yeah, you basically have to lift this handle here and like sneak it in like that and push down, and yeah, that's it. Wow. So not bad, pretty simple 5-minute job if that. Next, I actually have the replacement tail lights for this one, so I actually gotta go get them inside. They come with the entire harness. I have the replacement tail lights. As you can tell, these are broken. Plus they're ugly. I don't really like them. I like the OEM look, so I'm gonna have to go back inside and get those. The ones that I bought do come with the entire harness, so basically they run through here all the way down there and into the underneath the truck, so it's gonna be a little difficult with with that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and removed one tail light already. The other one's still there. So to remove these are pretty straightforward. You obviously lower the tailgate, and on these tail lights, they have like little clips here, which they use the wrong screws. But anyway, you remove the screw here, remove the screw there, undo the sockets here like that, and yeah, remove it. So basically, the new tail lights, I'm gonna have to take this old harness out. But the new ones, I'm gonna have to go the same route, essentially. Getting underneath the truck's gonna be kind of a pain in the ass. But as you can tell, I already took the screws out here and here, and yeah, I have to gotta take the lights out. I really should have got a tripod for this, but whatever. I think they use the incorrect sockets for this tail light. It's not meant for this truck. There it goes. As you can tell, these tail lights are supposed to be on the 03 and up. This is the 02, so they have the red and the amber and the backup light. So these sockets are the incorrect ones for this tail light. However, the ones that I bought, my upgraded backup light, keeping that because it's super bright. The ones that I bought are the 03s, like this style. It's just all red. You'll see in a bit, but they come with a harness and they're meant for the 02s, 9902. So it should plug and play. Got them off of Amazon for like $80. And if they don't fit, you guys will know. So all right, we'll get the other ones and then crawl underneath there. So, be right back. All right, so the lights are on, as you can tell. I figured I didn't need a video on how to do that since it's pretty straightforward. So anyway, you run the harness through down here. Goes through that hole here. Route it. You connect it into this connector there. Alright, I was interrupted by my dad. He's trying to help me out because, once again, I have a broken foot. So anyway, it runs down that channel there. Here's one of the wiring loom like connector things that holds the harness on there. This is the old harness here. So basically what I did was I traced this harness all the way through here, which is this one here. Comes down and it connects in there. So obviously this is a new one, which I have to disconnect because I'm gonna have to route that way. This truck has a lot of mud. It makes everything, 5 times more difficult, but whatever. So basically that's what you have to do. Remove the old harness, reuse these clips to hold the harness in place. This is the one for the passenger side. So it's longer, and it has to be because it has to come this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And as much as I would like to record, it's just too difficult. But look at all this gunk here that makes it difficult to get some of these clips out. So what I want to do is I actually want to go down this truck and just power wash the entire thing underneath. The next thing I want to address is going to be the emergency brake cables. The cable's there, but address the emergency brake themselves, because this truck has no e-brake, and it can be pretty sketchy when you raise the truck, because obviously you can't lock the brakes on this thing. So let me, undo these things here, undo that one over there. I already tested it and made sure it worked, but once again, once it's done, I'll record it. And those are my car keys. I don't want to lose those. I don't know what this is for. I don't know definitely doesn't look like GM did that, so I have no idea what that's for. I'm assuming for trailer brake or whatever the hell it is. I don't know. Oh god, I need a brake. So, and the reason I'm talking kind of quiet is because some of my neighbors are out and they're weird, and they probably think I'm weird if I'm sitting here recording this talking to nobody. So, but anyway, let's get back to it. All right. Yeah, my dad keeps coming over here making sure I'm good. So I removed the right harness, the right tail light harness. So this is the new one, obviously. That's gonna run through this channel here, come out this hole here, and as you can see, those clips there and there, it just run through there and connects to that bottom one there. So I guess I can try to do it on camera. I have a bunch of dust on my face. Okay, so it goes through here, comes out the other end. Not yet. Apparently, more. Fucking dust. There it goes. Alright, so just feed that through. You've been wearing safety glasses. Okay, so when you do this, when you do this, usually you want to leave a little bit of slack here, because if you ever need to take your tail light out, this is the harness that gets pulled through that way. So just to give you a little bit of slack. Ow. Come here. Sorry, it's difficult. And obviously it's labeled right, left, so. Make sure it's on there, because mine has a bunch of shit, dirt, that keeps it from being connected correctly, and you definitely don't want that disconnecting, because you'll never really know. Well, maybe when you turn your signal on, you will. There it goes, clipped into place. Probably didn't hear it because there's so much fucking gunk on there. Top one doesn't come out either. So now I just have to, insert it into these harness things. There's that one. There's that one. So, like I said, make sure you have enough play here, because when you remove your tail light, it pulls on this harness. So just make sure you have some extra slack there. And my ear popped. You probably can't see what I'm doing, but whatever. Come on. And there's this one. Sure it closes. Good. This one. Now, while you're down there, it's a good idea to check your license plate, lights, bulbs, or whatever. Mine are blown, so I have to replace those. But anyway, they're here. This one's already broken, so more than likely I'm gonna order a set. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, you probably, it doesn't really matter that I'm touching it with my fingers because they're blown anyway, but yeah. Oh, we're gonna put it back in there for now. We're gonna replace it with set later. But I'm assuming if you buy the LED and if it comes with the harness, I mean it's right here. You just focus. It's right here. You just follow this one. This goes into the other one, of course, and then that would be this one here. This right one, I'm assuming is the body harness that actually, ties into your brake pedal and all that. So this one goes all the way up there. So you don't really need to mess with that one. But anyway, that's pretty much it on the installation. Let me try to get back up there. Oh. There you go. That's the need tail lights. Like I said, I bought them off of Amazon. Pretty cheap. I mean, considering it comes with the new harness and everything. These are the old ones. Like I said, they're pretty tacky. Not my favorite look, but looks a lot better now. All right. Well, like I said, this is probably a short video. Can't exactly do much with my broken foot, whatever. When it's healing, I got about 4 more weeks. So that's it for this one. Sorry it's short. Like I said, I can't really do much. As far as the plans for it next time, what am I gonna do next? Oh, brakes. Yeah, I think I mentioned it earlier. So the emergency brake on this truck doesn't work. I've seen a video on how to fix it. So I'm gonna follow that video and make a video for you guys. So anyway, appreciate it. Subscribe if you're not. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt. Yeah. Please say any negative thoughts.